Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 257 Grady-White Fisherman. Coastal fog blue hull, under the hard top also. I wanted to show you this, it's a full hull color. Take a look from here, we'll walk up, we'll go through the boat, and I will point out some options. Thank you. As we enter the 257, you can see that we outfitted this boat with twin 200 horse Yamaha outboards. Just a great power package for this boat, a pleasure to run. Boat does have a boarding ladder in the back, walk through transom door which does swing out, fish box, live well. It has the leaning post with the bucket storage underneath. The Grady seat in the back. There's your wash down. This boat does not have electronics yet. Plenty of room. The underside of the hardtop gray. Electronics box. Some cup holders. Stereo. Nice size head with storage. Forward seating with backrests. Take a picture of the windlass. Is a full windshield boat with a wiper. Seat in front. Rod storage on the back on either side. If you go low enough, you can see the engine wash down right there. Bolster style leaning post. Does have 4 rod holders across the back. Boat does not have outriggers yet. It is an option we can put on here. Good looking boat, plenty of performance. It's in stock in our showroom. Please come take a look. Call Mike or myself. I'm Alan. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you.